Hi everyone. Today I'm going to continue uh, my path, my way, solving as usual. As usual, I go through this, I follow this roadmap. Yesterday I solved the greedy problem. It was not actually greedy algorithm in my opinion, but it's okay. I consider it about it for a day. I thought that maybe I need to solve one more problem with greedy, but I decided to do not do it because I need to pass this roadmap faster to the end, and after it I going to uh, make a view to the whole tasks, problems, and decide where I need to uh, work harder, probably. Also, maybe I will switch. Uh, it it is the one way. The second option is, as I considered, is to solve all easy problems, at least for the uh, lowest, hardest problems, hardest topics, because I guess, for example, arrays and hashing have a lot of easy questions, and I will spend a lot of time. I don't. I will. Yes, I would spend a lot of time to finish it, and it will not be productive. Will not will be effective. Uh, what else? Third option is, it is not possible. Third option is solve solve repeat this whole of this way again, but with medium tasks, medium level tasks. Maybe. But I think it will be later, because currently my speed of solving is not good as I uh, would have it. What else? Else is, aha, I have one more option. It is to solve problems, maybe the same problems, probably the same problems, but to learn some language. I started Kotlin, maybe Koso, maybe Kotlin. I learned Java a bit, maybe Java. Also, I would like to watch something like Rust or Go. I don't know. I will decide it later. Today's topic is advanced graphs. Uh-huh. We have, guys, it's my mistake. I didn't see it. this. Here we have links. Here we have prerequisites which I should learn before solving. Okay, let's watch it. Dijkstra. I don't know what is this. Brims. I don't know. Kruskaldon. Topological sort. I heard about it. I even solved it sometime. I don't remember when. But Dijkstra also sounds familiar, but I don't know. Let's come back. Even sliding window could be fixed size and variable size. I didn't know about it. Binary search. Search array, search range. Didn't know about it. Linked list. Singly linked list, doubly linked list. Fast and slow pointers. Stack. To pointers. Dynamic arrays. Hash users. Prefix sums. Hash implementation. What means hash implementation? Let's try. Sorry, hash implementation. Does it mean that I need to implement my own hash? Interesting. JS as a JavaScript developer, primary hash implementation. So what's a hash table, hash function? I read something about it earlier. I remember something like what is a hash function, hash table collisions, how to implement, wrapping up, but I didn't implement it. How to implement hash table? To implement hash table using JavaScript, we will do three things. Create a hash table class, add a hash function, and implement a method for adding key value pairs to our table. First, let's create hash table class, calculate hash, adding and removing, yes? Only to add. Okay. Key value hash, this calculate hash. If this values hash, what is values? It's just simple object. If this values has own property hash, this values hash this. this values hash key value. Why do we need length if we have size? We have a size, but why do we need length if we have size? And we don't increase the size. Hash values increase length, search hash values hash key. Okay, added there. Also we can add has set methods, I think. Implementation with bucket chaining. Class hash entry, new hash entry. Every entry, we can implement it with as linked list. Reference to new entry. Hash table. Slots 10, size 0, bucket empty, and full bucket with nulls. Get size is empty. And how does it work? Hash function. I didn't read it. I didn't read the text and I didn't get it. Now let's see another implementation using bucket chaining. Resize. Oh, it's something complicated. I don't want to read it. Okay, stack binary search. Sliding window fixed. Is the best time to buy and sell stock. It's for sliding window. And advanced graphs has only medium and hard questions, but math and geometry has easy questions without hard. Two-dimension dynamic programming. Something complicated. Bit manipulation. Oh my god. But it has easy ones. I guess I would love to solve it first. And I will, for tomorrow, I will prepare theory about these topics, and I will try to solve something. Today is bit manipulation theme. Well, let's try it. Given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. Bit operations. Well, let's read some about bit. All about bit manipulation. ZOR. Which bit operations we have in. Oh, it doesn't have implementations. I guess I can it names bit manipulation. Is a technique of changing or working with the actual bits of data represented by another data type, most often an integer. Given an integer like 7, the bits it represents are written in binary. That is, as a series from left to right of ones and zeros. Oh. Why it 1 1 1? Here I see 2 1 0. Aha, it's just explanation with bitwise operators. Fleece every bit but to its opposite. How can I use this fact? Every element appears twice except for one. Find unique element. I need to find a unique element. I must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. Wow. How can I use it? I can't use. I think it means that I cannot use hash map. Well, bit operators, how can you help me? Every bit to its opposite compares to equal. Length bit patterns returns 1 in positions where both patterns have ones. Otherwise returns 0. Also compares two equal length bit patterns. Guys, probably I can pass the array 2 times, like first time I make something with items, second time I apply something like mask with bit operators. Equivalent to multiplying by starting number by 2 power n Left shift doubles one left shift doubles the number. Equivalent by dividing. ZOR compares to equal length patterns, only returns one in positions where the patterns are different. I have no idea how can I use bitwise operators. Yes, emotional damage. ZOR of two equal numbers gives 0. This is trivial if you understand bitwise operations. Yeah, it looks like it's bitwise problems is for C++, coders, C coders. Some ones for guys who code for hardware. Hint. I have a hint. ZOR of two equal numbers gives 0. How can I use this fact? Well, I can traverse through array and try to XOR adjacent items, but it won't help in this in this case. But if I won't do it in if I check like for first item, try to XOR it with every other item in array, it won't be linear runtime. It will be O n square, or at least O n multiplied logarithm n. Anyway, it is not linear. Common bit manipulation problems. I don't need problems, I need solutions. What does it mean? We know we are returning a boolean. The first half of the return checks if n is truthy. That is non-zero. Okay. This takes care of checking if 0 is a power of 2. The second part, it takes advantage of our bitwise and operator to compare two equal length bit patterns n minus 1. Let's look at the second part a little more clearly with some examples. 8 and 7. What would be 8 and 7? Returns 1 in positions where both patterns have ones. Otherwise returns 0. Binary code 8 and 7 would be 0, 0, 0, 0. Falsy. So this is falsy, and the negation of falsy will be true. So and true is true. I don't know. I give up. Maybe I will find solution in discussion. Input 2 to 1. What means this? What do you make? 0, 0. Two to 1. What do you make? I guess I see the solution but I don't understand it. What is this? First of all, what means? It means ZOR operator. So 0 and XOR 2 is 2. It is the first. Then XOR 2, 2, 0, 2 and 0. XOR 2 is 0. Wow. So I just start with 0 and XOR everything with 0. And I will get the answer in the end. XOR 4 XOR 4 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 1. What does it mean? Why it is 4 XOR 2? For what? I see. 4 1 2 1 2. It is explanation. Start with 0. Get first item. First item XOR 1. So we get not 4 but 5. 5 XOR 2 is 7. 7 XOR 1 is 6. 6 XOR 2 is 4. Amazing. How does it work? It's interesting how XOR works. So I just return. No, I can't return. For I less than and I XOR everything with var equals 0. It is not pref, it's even result. XOR nums I return result. If this is the answer, sorry, I'm shocked. Yeah, it works. It works. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not going to spend much, to give much effort to string bit manipulations, because I don't see profit of working with it. So tomorrow I'm going to solve something. I will try to prepare, and I will decide later. Probably I will return, for example, to trees and solve these easy solutions, because the trees is the base for every other topics. Also binary search, maybe I will try it, and sliding window, definitely I will solve couple of problems with sliding window. Linked list, probably, but I solved a bunch of linked lists problems when I was in university, so I understand what it is, and linked list is not something new for me, but sliding window is, yes, and also tries is new for me, new topic. Trees is not, but balanced search tree, BST sets and maps, iterative DFS is new things for me. Depth first and breadth first, not new things. Yeah, I will solve new topics which I didn't see before. For example, backtracking, interesting thing. Tree maze. Oh my god, no, I don't want combinations and permutations, but I need to solve it. Okay, thanks for today. It's over. Thanks everyone, and bye, guys.